Hey everyone, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare EGUSI seeds, which are also known as melon seeds. So the only ingredient for this recipe are EGUSI seeds, which can be purchased from most African Caribbean food stores and online. So the first thing to do is to sort the seeds by picking out any impurities. This can take a while depending on how much EGUSI you're using or the quality of the seeds. Once you've picked out the impurities, give the seeds a good thorough clean in cold running water. Drain the seeds and add them to a hot empty pan and leave the seeds to dry and toast on a medium heat, tossing and stirring them frequently. EGUSI seeds are like popcorn and may start flying out of the pan, so be very careful. Once the seeds are dry and toasted, they will be slightly puffed up in appearance. Leave them to cool, then grind them in a grinder until they form a powder. You can stop here and either add the grounded seeds as they are to your soup or store them in an airtight container for later use. If you're like me and prefer to make the EGUSI into a paste before adding it to a soup, then add cold water to the ground EGUSI a little at a time until it forms a paste. Click on a link in this video to check out some EGUSI soup recipes. Thank you as always for watching and supporting this channel, and be sure to like the video, share it and subscribe. Peace and blessings, and see you in the next video.